Right guys, so we're back with another video. Today we're playing World of Tanks, and yeah, this is the training camp. So let's get right to it. Hi, I'm making a video. Right, my mouse is on. Right, so I can record. Right guys, so let's stop recording. I don't know why. Let's just resume and hope it doesn't happen again. I'm so tired. So can we right, press A to turn left. A. Right, yeah. Arrows below your tank show direction and rotates. Where's the arrows below my tank? Oh, A. Move to location, right. Right, where am I supposed to be going? Okay, this way. Oh, do I have to turn around? What do I press? Just die already. Oh, I've got a lot more health than him. It's great. Okay, the vehicle is damaged in battle. Crew and module condition affects the tank effects. Right. Engine damage, speed decreased. Driver injured, speed and minor decreased. Right, so control point. Right, great. What? Look at my. That's a weird human. Okay, I get that. What's happening? Use first aid kit to the crew. Right, how do I get to us press 4? Oh, that's cool. Right, 5. Great. Anything else? Do I actually have to use that? I'm getting shot at. Stop that now. Okay. My back. Right. Oh yeah, I'm using the wrong things. Can I just not flee? Can I already just shoot this bad boy? I'm not sure if I need to go into there. Oh, he died. Right. Oh. What? That is unacceptable. LS shift. LS shift. What's that shift? Golden gun. Come on. Oh, 2 seconds. I'm really game. This is easy. Can I press buttons? Repairs not required, okay. Shift. Caps are gone. 2, 1. Oh, taking. Let me just check. Time is 25 minutes left. So I can play Watch Dogs. Totally. Is that count? How can I hit them though? What? That's impossible. Right, is there anyone else I can shoot? Like that? How can I have skimmed them when I shot like this? You go off shift. Right, what way am I supposed to do? Oh, this way, right. This way, okay. It's because I'm at the wrong area. Just great. No, what am I doing? I'm destroying this thing. Anyone else? No. Shift caps locks on now. You hit me, cuz I'll hit you back. What? Yeah, so it's good then. Okay, this is so productive. I'm not sure if this is actual World of Tanks game. This is just seems alright. Oh, do I have to go? Oh, there. Okay. Okay, you sons. Want pieces of me? Give you pieces of me. Come on, I need to load. Reload. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay, they're hiding though. Wimps. Woo! I completed this. It says completed. You have successfully completed the tutorial. Good. Press N to continue. On Xbox it says so sometimes when I just press the whole like the big X and doesn't continue, like dude. Right, let's go games. Oh, that's my username, cuz right, I can't exactly make a very long video, although this is very long. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Guys, of course, still need to say our Wi-Fi's. It's got a bit better. The man didn't come on Monday for some reason, but it's got a bit better. Still not the best, but yeah, see you next one. Bye.